This is a picture that was created by AI. So these people, these characters like the woman, the girl, and also the old man were coming from these separate pictures. And yet with this AI model, we can put them together into the same frame. So this model was created by ByteDance. It is called XVerse. And basically the main key takeaway of this model is that you can use it to put multiple characters together. So basically it is consistent characters, but instead of just one character or one person, you could put multiple subjects or even multiple objects, by the way, because you can also pretend the character to be a headphones, it to be a bag or something like that. So it is also possible to use this model to create a product placement photo. And you can actually check the paper, the info about this model by going to this URL, and all the links will be available in the video description. And basically I'm going to show you how you can use this AI model. This is open source, you can download it to your computer and then run it locally, but you need a decent GPU. I think you need 24 gigabytes of VRAM, which is a lot, and not everybody actually has the access for that kind of hardware. But instead you can use the demo for free via Hugging Face. So what you need to do is that you have to navigate to this page, and again the link will be available in the video description. And let me show you how you can use this tool to generate a picture with multiple consistent characters. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to select the first character on this first image. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to be using some pictures that I have stored yesterday. So I guess let me try using this photo for the first character. Okay, now let's click that and select. That's actually the abbreviation for detection and segmentation, because we just want to focus on the face or the character or the person. And if the picture is too big and the face is too far apart from the camera, then I do recommend to click crop face, so we can focus all the attention, all the screen into the face of the character or the object that you have in the photo. And after that, enable this option and you can add auto caption, although I actually recommend to just write the caption manually, because on my testing it's not always consistent to use the auto caption. So I'm going to just use a simple description like just a man, and then let's add another character. Click this. And in this case, I'm going to be using a picture of a woman. I guess let me try using this woman. All right, let me just click detection and segmentation again. Just wait for a few more seconds. And by the way, I forgot to mention that I do recommend to actually sign up to Hugging Face, to this platform, so you get more GPU power to be able to use this model, because it is actually quite GPU intensive. Now after that, let me just click crop face. Just wait for a few more seconds. Okay, now the attention is now full on the face of this woman, and enable ID, and the description is a woman, and there you go. So let's add another character. I'm going to click this, and let's see what pictures that I have. Okay, there's this picture of corgi. I want to try using an animal. There's man, woman, animal. You can also use different, even another woman or a man if you want to. It is also possible. Okay, detection and segmentation again. And hopefully this will work, because on my testing the detection and segmentation isn't actually always consistent. Sometimes it might detect something that is not face or something that is not important on the picture, so that could happen. Okay, this is the result. I guess I'm okay with that. I'm going to click this and describe it as a corgi, and there you go. So here, if we scroll down again, there is an option for image 4. Yeah, it can do up to 4 images, but I think 3 characters are enough. And there is advanced settings. There are some settings and customizations that you could modify, but honestly these are went over my head, so I don't know how to actually adjust the numbers. Just not something I would understand, but you can read the description if you are interested. And also you can adjust the height and the width of the image. Now after that, you can scroll to the top again, And this time around, you have to use the keyword ENT1 or ENT2 and ENT3. So that actually the representations of the character or the entity 1, which is this man, entity 2 is this woman, and then the entity 3 is this corgi. So that's why we have to use the ENT1, 2, 3 like that. This is according to the instruction. And basically here I want all of them to be, you know, walking together in a park. And by the way, do not click this Chinese character button. It is actually for resetting. I have no idea why they have everything in English except this button. So do not click this button. It is not for creating the picture. Instead, click this generate image button. So this process will take about 1 minute and I'll be back when it is done. Okay, so this is the result. I gotta say, yeah, the face look very similar to the original photo, except maybe this woman's eye. I don't know what's happening with the other eye. It just doesn't look right, but yeah, it's not a big of a deal. And the dog, yeah, the dog looks a bit different, but that's because we focus the attention only to the face, and that's why this dog seems to be bigger than the original dog. But overall, the face look exactly the same, and of course, these characters are walking together in a park. And yeah, that's basically how you can use this ad tool. And given that this model was created by ByteDance, maybe we have to wait a few more months until this feature is eventually coming to platforms like TikTok, Dreamina, or CapCut, because those products were created by ByteDance. So maybe we can see a new improvement in the realm of consistent characters. So that's basically it. All the links will be available in the video description. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.